So now we're going to learn how to order a set of numbers from least to greatest. And the first thing we notice is that there are three different types of numbers. There are fractions, there are decimals, and there are percents. We cannot order them if they are all in different forms. We need them to be in the same form. And the easiest form to get things into are fractions. And you'll see why. If we leave the 1/8 as a fraction, we can turn the 24% into 24 over 100. And we could turn the 0.31 into 31 over 100. So changing percents and decimals into fractions is very easy because most of the time you're going to be turning them into something over 100 and not reducing it. So we'll leave the 2/3 as is. 0.4 would be 40 over 100, and 13 will be 13 over 100. And now we can already see that we can order 4 out of the 6 of them. Extremely easy. But we need to deal with these and get them into 100. So what can you multiply 8 by to get it to 100? So we're going to have to now divide 8 into 100. So we can go, how many times does 8 go into 100? Well, how many times does it go into 1? 0. How many times does it go into 10? It goes into it once, minus 8 is 2, bring down 20. How many times does it go into 20? It goes into it twice, minus 16, 4, bring down 0, but since we're bringing down an imaginary 0, you have to put decimal place. How many times does 8 go into 40? 5. Therefore, if we multiplied 8 by 12.5, we will get 100. So 12.5 over 100, 24 over 100, 31 over 100. Oh, now we ran into this problem again. 2/3. There. Let's do the same thing we did with the 8. 3 goes into 100. 3 goes into 10. 3 goes into 10 3 times. Subtract the 9, 1. 3 goes into 10 3 times. Subtract the 9. And eventually going to find out it's 3.33333 repeating. So therefore, if we multiplied it by that, we can get 66.6 repeating over 100, along with the 40 over 100 and 13 over 100. Now, since all of these have the exact same bases, we can order them just relating off of the top numbers. So what is the smallest number that appears here? It happens to be 12.5 over 100. Second smallest number would be 13 over 100. Next would be 24 over 100, then 31 over 100, 40 over 100, and 66.6 over 100. But you cannot leave it like this. You have to put it back into the form that was given to you up there. So now what is the 12.5 over 100? It is 1/8. And what is 13 over 100? Is 13%. What is 24 over 100? Was the 24%. 31 over 100 was 0.31. 40 over 100 was 0.4. And 66.6 was 2/3. So your final answer will look like this.